it. After the salat, the Prophet said, bring the boy. The Prophet ﷺ advised the man who said what? Yarhamukumullah. He didn't advise the man who said, which means when you sneeze, you say Alhamdulillah. It's not a bid'ah. See the difference? The one that was wrong, the Prophet corrected. The one was okay, the Prophet left alone. So I hope this answers your question, inshallah.